Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Virgo, there is a message coming. Page of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, the Sun card, a King of Cups, center of my spread, Virgo. Who's this? Somebody is in love. They do want to end whatever fights that have happened. They want to bring back balance and healing. But there is a but here. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Somebody definitely wants a harmonious connection back again. They want to have that equal give and take. Looking at their person as the perfect person. Somebody who's independent, who's probably single, and just the perfect person for them, who makes them really, really happy. But in the past, I think this King of Cups probably never showed their emotions or never did the right thing. Maybe they appeared as a heartbreaker, but they do want to now put things right. They want to heal the situation. They want to hold on to this connection big time. So let's see what's going to happen. Virgo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more, Virgo, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And a couple more from here, Virgo. All right, good to go, Virgo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about you, how you feel, so I don't think I'm going effing crazy. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me, instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. I didn't run away from you, I ran away from myself. It's all deep down to my deep fear of rejection and insecurities. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a family with me? You are all I desire. This situation is messy. I have to juggle a lot of responsibilities right now. All right, Virgo, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading. Of course, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card first. Let's see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. Pray. Somebody is praying to make things right, that's for sure. Somebody is heavily praying for things to come back into balance, for that equal partnership to happen. Let's see what's happening then. Okay, so Page of Wands. Spirit, what's this Page of Wands with the Nine of Pentacles? Page of Wands. Okay, Page of Wands. somebody does want to message. Somebody does want to message, but they're feeling a little unmotivated right now because maybe the other person is either blocked them or maybe just guarding themselves. But whoever wants to send this message, Virgo, definitely wants to try again. They feel all these games that happened between the two of you, whatever happened, this has totally backfired on the connection. They see their person as very, very beautiful, very independent, doing very well for themselves, but till now either they never offered a commitment, even though now they want to have this equal partnership, they want to have the Six of Pentacles between the two of you. They feel miserable, they feel whatever games I played, they've all backfired on me. This is my person. This person makes me so happy, and I can envision a 10 of Cups with them. This is my happily ever after, and whatever they did or didn't do in the past, I think they're very feeling quite guilty about that, Virgo. This could be you feeling this way, could be your cross watcher, I don't know. So yes, they do envision a future which is full of happiness with this Nine of Pentacles person. In the past, they may have been a bit immature. They may have made promises they never kept. But they do want to come back. They do want to come back now because they're recognizing that the love they have in their heart is so much for this person that they can't hold themselves back anymore. So King of Cups says something to us, center of my spread. King of Cups says, first and foremost, Omkara Tarot, all I want to do is apologize to them. I really want to say sorry for all that I've done in the past. Please tell them if they can, forgive me and leave all this conflict behind so we can move on to a happier place. I'm very, very sorry about all the stuff I didn't do, the investment I never put, why this connection became imbalanced, and they are not talking to me right now. They're not messaging me. We are not talking to each other. But I really, really do want to balance things out in this connection again. So Temperance Spirit. Yes, again the King of Cups. My God, this King of Cups is in love. Their heart is in the right place. Their mind may not have been at one point, but they're very sorry about that. So Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Who's in the Four of Pentacles energy? The other person, I think, is holding back from them because they're very, very heartbroken. According to the other person, I think they feel I've been betrayed, I've been hurt, this connection is over, and it's best that I hold back from them. My person is very immature and they have never stepped up to the plate, always diving in and out of my life and never really offering me anything. But then there is a Tower coming. Sudden change is on the horizon. What is this Tower, Spirit, for this connection? Somebody is coming back. Somebody is going to send a message. They want to work on this again. Be a little mindful. It could lead to a little bit of a fight, a little bit of conflict. But please know that this King of Cups is coming with the right emotion now. They are coming forward with their heart open. They are a little afraid that the other person who's blocked off now may kind of fight with them or there'll be another conflict. But the honest truth is that this King of Cups, who's wanting to come with their emotions open as the Knight of Cups, does want to put in the work now. They want to have this equal give and take. Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Why is this the overall energy of the reading? Six of Pentacles. Because they're not happy. They're not happy when you guys are not in partnership. All they want is that can we just put the old baggage down so we can start again. What this King of Cups has now realized that the person who makes them happy is the one that they want to have a future with. So this message is going to arrive soon, it seems, Virgo. This message will arrive. Somebody is coming with their heart open. Anything else for Virgo? Yes, this will be stable. This will be stable. The offer which was not given in the past, well, they are sad about it as well, and maybe the other person is as well. Both of you have been sitting in your silence and feeling nobody loves me kind of a thing, but this offer is coming, and this time it will be stable. No longer the Knight of Wands energy. Somebody is coming in with a very, very stable offer of equal give and take, or at least that's what they want. Their little fear is that they will be blocked off, or they will be not forgiven, or it could lead to a little bit of fight. It's going to happen suddenly out of the blue. You may not see this coming. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.